Stop. Before you take another step today, I need to share something that could change everything about how you age. At 3 a.m. last Tuesday, Margaret from Phoenix called 911, not because of chest pain, not because of a stroke, but because she fell trying to get to the bathroom and couldn't get back up. Margaret is 72. She raised 4 children. She worked as a school principal for 30 years. She's nobody's victim. But in that moment, lying on her bathroom floor, she felt her independence slipping away. What Margaret didn't know, what most seniors don't know, is that she could have prevented this fall with 4 simple foods that probably cost less than her monthly cable bill. I'm Dr. Sarah Mitchell, and I've been a geriatric nutritionist for over 20 years. I've worked with thousands of seniors from age 50 to 95, and I'm here to tell you something your doctor probably hasn't mentioned. Your legs don't have to give out on you. The weakness, the shakiness, the fear of falling, none of this is inevitable. It's not just getting old. It's sarcopenia, and it's stealing your freedom one muscle fiber at a time. But here's what the medical establishment doesn't want you to know. You can fight back. You can rebuild what you've lost. And you can do it starting today with 4 powerful foods that are probably already in your local grocery store. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Drop a comment below and tell me your age and what state you're watching from. Your stories inspire me more than you'll ever know, and they help me create content that truly serves our amazing senior community. Now, let me show you exactly how Margaret went from lying helpless on her bathroom floor to hiking 3 miles with her grandchildren just 4 months later.
The first food might surprise you because it's small, humble, and probably sitting forgotten in your pantry right now. I'm talking about chickpeas, those little round legumes that most Americans call garbanzo beans. Now, I know what you're thinking. Chickpeas? Really? That's your miracle food? Stay with me, because what I'm about to share will change how you think about these tiny nutritional powerhouses forever. Here's what happens to your body after age 50. You start losing muscle mass at a rate of 3 to 8% per decade. This isn't just about looking good in your clothes. This muscle loss, called sarcopenia, is what makes your legs feel heavy, makes standing up from a chair difficult, and puts you at serious risk for life-changing falls. But chickpeas are packed with something your aging muscles desperately need: complete, bioavailable plant protein. Unlike the protein in supplements or processed foods, the protein in chickpeas comes with a supporting cast of nutrients that work together like a perfectly orchestrated symphony. We're talking about magnesium for muscle contraction, iron for oxygen transport, and vitamin B6 for nerve function. A groundbreaking 2019 study from the University of Murcia followed 300 seniors for 2 years. The participants who ate chickpeas just 3 times per week lost 22% less muscle mass than those who didn't. Let me put that in perspective. That's the difference between confidently walking upstairs and needing to rest halfway. That's the difference between independence and dependence. I saw this transformation firsthand with my patient Jose, a 74-year-old retired construction worker from San Antonio. When Jose first came to see me, he was using a walker. He'd fallen twice in 6 months, and his family was talking about assisted living. Jose didn't want medications, he didn't want physical therapy. He just wanted his strength back. We started simple: half a cup of cooked chickpeas 3 times a week. Jose added them to his morning scrambled eggs, tossed them in his lunchtime salads, and stirred them into his wife's famous vegetable soup. 5 weeks later, Jose walked into my office without his walker. 8 weeks later, he was back to doing yard work. Today, at 76, he's teaching his grandson how to build a treehouse. The transformation wasn't magic. It was nutrition working exactly as nature intended.
For most of my senior clients, I recommend starting with about half a cup of cooked chickpeas per serving, enjoyed 3 to 4 times per week. This provides roughly 15 grams of muscle-building protein, plus all those supporting nutrients your body needs to actually use that protein effectively.
The beauty of chickpeas is their versatility. Roast them with olive oil and herbs for a Mediterranean-inspired snack. Add them to salads with fresh vegetables. Simmer them in soups with turmeric and black pepper, two spices that fight inflammation and improve circulation. Here's a pro tip that can make all the difference. If you're using dried chickpeas, soak them overnight with a pinch of baking soda. This breaks down compounds that can cause digestive upset and improves iron absorption, crucial for seniors who may struggle with both digestion and iron deficiency. Now let's talk about the second food, one that doesn't just build muscle, but solves a problem that quietly torments millions of American seniors every single night. I'm talking about those painful leg cramps that jolt you awake at 2 or 3 a.m., leaving you sore and exhausted the next day. If chickpeas are the foundation for stronger leg muscles, then pumpkin seeds are the precision tool that fine-tunes your nervous system, ensuring your muscles and nerves communicate smoothly and effectively. These small, crunchy seeds might look like a simple snack, but they're actually a concentrated source of magnesium, a mineral that's absolutely critical for nerve function, muscle coordination, and cramp prevention. Here's the problem. Despite eating what they consider a healthy diet, over 60% of Americans over 50 are magnesium deficient. This deficiency shows up as muscle stiffness, restless legs, fatigue after minimal exertion, and those dreaded nighttime leg cramps. But pumpkin seeds offer so much more than just magnesium. They're rich in zinc, healthy fats, and powerful antioxidants, nutrients that reduce joint inflammation and protect cartilage. This makes them especially valuable for seniors dealing with knee stiffness or anyone who spends long periods on their feet. A clinical study at Complutense University of Madrid followed 120 participants over age 55. Those who consumed just 30 to 40 grams of pumpkin seeds daily for 6 weeks saw remarkable results. Nighttime leg cramps decreased by 31%, and they showed significant improvements in balance and stability tests. These aren't just research numbers. They represent real improvements that help people feel more stable, confident, and rested. Let me tell you about Carmen, a 68-year-old retired teacher from Phoenix. Carmen had been suffering from severe leg cramps for years. Almost every night around 3 a.m., these cramps would wake her up, leaving her sore and exhausted the following day. She'd tried everything: stretching before bed, leg massages, heating pads. Nothing worked consistently. I made one simple suggestion: a handful of unsalted roasted pumpkin seeds every day around 4 p.m. That's it. One small change. Within 3 weeks, Carmen's leg cramps had significantly reduced. By week 6, they were virtually gone. For the first time in years, Carmen was waking up with legs that felt refreshed, relaxed, and ready for the day. She even reported feeling more energetic and focused during her daily walks, thanks to better sleep quality. For most people, I recommend about 30 grams, roughly 2 tablespoons, of unsalted pumpkin seeds daily. You can sprinkle them on salads, mix them into cooked vegetables, or add them to your morning oatmeal for a nutritious crunch. They're delicious, lightly toasted, and eaten on their own as a mid-afternoon snack. Here's a timing tip that makes all the difference. Try to eat your pumpkin seeds between 3 and 5 p.m. This gives your body several hours to absorb the magnesium and stabilize your nervous system before bedtime, promoting muscle relaxation and deeper sleep. Now we're getting to the heart of the matter, and this next food might genuinely surprise you. It doesn't grow in gardens or orchards. It comes from the ocean. It's delicate, lightweight, and sometimes almost paper-thin on your plate. Don't let its modest appearance fool you, though. This marine plant has an extraordinary ability to repair and rebuild bones and joints that may have been deteriorating for years. I'm talking about seaweed. If you've been hearing that popping sound when you stand up from a chair or feeling that grinding sensation in your knees when you climb stairs, your body is sending you a message. Your bones and joints need hydration, nourishment, and restoration. Fortunately, nature provides a powerful solution. Seaweed varieties like wakame, kelp, dulse, and sea lettuce are remarkable for their high levels of bioavailable calcium, iodine, and unique anti-inflammatory compounds like fucoidan and laminarin. These aren't ordinary nutrients. They serve multiple critical functions, supporting bone formation, reducing joint stiffness and swelling, protecting cartilage, and helping your body produce synovial fluid, the natural lubricant that cushions your joints for smooth, pain-free movement. A compelling study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2021 found that women over 60 who regularly consumed seaweed had bone density up to 16% higher than those who didn't. This isn't just an academic finding. At our age, even a minor fall can result in a devastating fracture, particularly to the hip, which can dramatically impact independence and quality of life. One of my most inspiring success stories is Maria, a vibrant 70-year-old former yoga instructor from California. Arthritis had forced her to stop teaching, something that broke her heart after 30 years of helping others stay flexible and strong. We didn't just address her condition with medication and exercise. We looked closely at her nutrition, and that's when we introduced seaweed into her routine. We started simple: light seaweed salads with rice vinegar, small sheets of nori in rice bowls and wraps, and warming miso soup with wakame and tofu. The change seemed minor at first, but within 2 months, something remarkable happened. Maria's pain decreased, her inflammation subsided, and she began doing gentle stretches again. For someone who thought her flexible, active days were behind her, this was truly life-changing. Today, Maria still includes seaweed in her diet, and she reports more stable energy levels, more flexible joints, and improved balance. The good news is that you can experience these benefits without completely overhauling your diet. Adding seaweed just 2 or 3 times per week can make a significant difference. There are many delicious ways to enjoy it. Wrap cooked vegetables, grains, or lean proteins in nori sheets for a light, satisfying meal. Add wakame to soups, or sprinkle seaweed flakes on salads for extra nutrition. Here's a cooking tip to maximize the benefits even further. Try adding a drop of sesame oil and a few thin slices of fresh ginger to your seaweed preparations. This not only enhances the flavor, but also warms the digestive system and improves calcium absorption. When mornings stop making your legs ache, you'll understand that sometimes the simplest gifts can bring the most profound healing. But we're not done yet, because this final food doesn't come from deep mountain forests or ocean depths. Instead, it grows quietly on a tree, producing one of nature's most intelligent healing fats. This isn't just about nutrition. This is about reclaiming your body's ability to move, feel, and connect.
If you've ever experienced strange numbness in your calves, tingling in your toes, or a disconnected feeling when walking, as if your legs are moving but your brain isn't fully processing it, this could be the missing piece you've been looking for. These symptoms, often caused by undernourished peripheral nerves, can gradually undermine your stability and confidence if left unaddressed. The good news is that avocados are much more than a trendy food, thanks to their creamy texture and rich flavor. With their abundance of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, avocados strengthen nerve cell membranes and improve communication between your brain, spinal cord, and legs. They're truly a neurological ally. When you get this kind of support, you feel more in control, more present, and less likely to stumble or fall. But avocado's benefits don't stop there. It also provides substantial amounts of potassium, essential for fluid balance, muscle contraction, and cramp prevention. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects delicate nerve endings from oxidative stress and age-related damage. A fascinating study conducted in 2021 by the American Institute of Nutrition and Geriatrics found that older adults, particularly those over 65, who included avocado in their morning meals at least 4 times a week, experienced measurable improvements in posture, balance, and lower limb stability after just 6 weeks. This benefit was especially significant for people who had been experiencing mild but concerning instability when getting up from chairs, climbing stairs, or walking on uneven surfaces. Let me share a story that really illustrates this. Miguel, a 79-year-old retired school teacher, came to my office in considerable distress. His feet had started going numb, and he wasn't sure if he could continue his favorite activity, walking in the park with his grandson. We reviewed his daily routine and made one significant change. Instead of his usual sweet breakfast, he started having a slice of whole grain toast topped with mashed avocado, chia seeds, and a squeeze of lemon juice. It was simple, but profound. That one change alone triggered a turning point. 4 weeks later, Miguel returned with a huge smile on his face. He said something that has stayed with me ever since. I can feel the ground under my feet again, and I can hear my grandson's footsteps right beside mine. There was no magic involved, just consistent, nutrient-dense food. You can start this same journey today. Aim to eat 1/3 to 1/2 of an avocado each time, 3 to 4 times per week. It's best absorbed in the morning, but it also makes an excellent afternoon snack for sustained energy and calm focus. Spread it on toast, mix it into quinoa salads, blend it into smoothies with banana and almond milk, or enjoy it in leafy green wraps. Its versatility makes it easy to incorporate into your routine. Here's a simple but powerful tip I often share with patients. Top your mashed avocado with a sprinkle of flax seeds, chia seeds, or chopped walnuts. These additions not only enhance the flavor, but boost your intake of omega-3 fatty acids and additional vitamin E, 2 more nutrients that protect joints, strengthen nerve pathways, and reduce inflammation throughout your body. Don't underestimate the quiet power of this fruit. While avocado feels soft to the touch, it acts as an internal shield, supporting nerve function, stabilizing muscle control, and making every movement feel more connected, secure, and purposeful. As you can see, by incorporating just these 4 specific foods into your weekly routine, you're not just supporting your muscles, joints, and nerves, you're actively investing in your independence and how you navigate life. Don't wait until you're struggling to walk or dependent on others for basic activities. Start today with your very next meal, whether that's a warming bowl of seaweed soup, a handful of pumpkin seeds, some roasted chickpeas, or a slice of avocado toast. Every small step you take today strengthens your independence tomorrow. If this video helped you discover something valuable for your health, please give it a thumbs up. This helps us know you're following along with our content. Share this information with friends, family members, or anyone you care about who deserves to walk with more stability and confidence. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any tips on maintaining your independence, balance, and active lifestyle through your 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you been eating any of these foods already? Or is there one you're excited to try? Let me know your thoughts. We'll meet again in the next video, where every step builds strength. Stay with us. We're just getting started.